today we will be starting a topic which is left over in the section that is complex tissue. Complex tissue, what are complex tissues? Complex tissues are also called as compound tissues. As we said earlier, compound tissues or complex tissues are those tissues which are having a set of different types of cells which are combined together to perform a common function. Now here in complex tissue there are two different types of cells involved. Those are xylem and phloem. Now these xylem and phloem both are helpful in the translocation of food and water to the plant body, and these xylem and phloem elements together consist of both the cells, or the elements of both the tissues consist of both living and dead elements, living and dead tissues in them. You can call it elements, or the components of each tissue, that is xylem complex tissue has its own elements and phloem tissue has its own elements. Both of them have xylem has, if it is having tracheids, fibers, xylem parenchyma, some are dead tissues and some are living tissues. Whereas in phloem also there are few tissues which are living and which are dead. Now here, this depending upon the size, structure and origin, that xylem tissue has been complex tissue has been divided into two different types. Either we can say xylem is originating from which place, at the procambium meristem, or phloem is originating from which type of meristem. Now here first we will be studying about, this is about complex tissue, and we will be starting with the xylem.